Dearest Lola, life is not all roses for you as you take care of me. But I have not heard you utter a word of complaint. Surely God has sent you to be my mother, father, and all. I don't know what the world will be like without you. You're great. I love you with all my heart.
It is not often that I have this opportunity to tell you how much mean to me. Although deep in my heart, I long to tell you this very minute of my life. I may not have given you the happiness I want you to feel. This is because I am prone to forget. Please give me a chance to make up for lost time and opportunity. I love you, Pa and Ma. May you enjoy good health and longer life. God bless you.